Double Plus. And today I will introduce our product, going over from inspiration, our product, the techniques, and the future. Our product aims to provide a wider environment for our online community. Different from pushing things you're interested in, we analyze your current interests and groups to introduce you to more groups and interests, which are the bubbles we create. That is the original intention that the network was created. So for those hours, we design a complete web from front-end design to back-end databases. We utilize the relational database MySQL based on Google Earth. In the database, we use two main tables, as you can see, the tags and the usernames, which store the related data. Text usernames and text connections provide us with extra help on fulfilling the functionality of the web, like recommending text given a tag name. Here are the synchronized functions we have used. Basically, the servers will return the status of the operations at first and then update the database, which makes the web app way more efficient. Generally, the front end sends HTTP request to the URL, and then the server returns the JSON file. Those are all the synchronized functions. For the front end development, we at first use Figma to plan what we should have on the web pages, and then we carefully select animations and use concise buttons. From the rotations and animations box to the JavaScript effect we have made to make the web more interacting with us. For instance, we add tons of on-click events so that in HTML file, the bubbles can be updated and added. Could you believe it? Those bubble pages are like all written within one HTML file, and we use all the JS to create the animation effects. These are the boss pages. The techniques involved are recommendation mechanisms. That is, given a tag, related tags are calculated and recommended. We also design the database and use asynchronous functions and servers. For the future, we will develop private chat, group chat, and like adding friends and some functionalities on the phone. We will try our best to optimize our algorithm and achieve better expansion. Thank you, and let's take a look at the web. Let's make sure the server is opened. And then login page, you can type in the usernames like 123 and your password 123. But since I haven't registered, I should click on sign up. And then I should type in the new username like 213 and 123 and then confirm. And I can go to the homepage. This is my homepage. And these are all the tags I have had, like Amazon, and Dreamer, and something like Google. And I also have some courses like E101 and CS101. If I click on one of the tabs, and then it will direct me into the people with the same tags. So like I will know that Carol and Mark and Peter are all in the same class with me. If I haven't know any one of them, and then should probably click on one of them and see his hobbies and probably chat with him. We'll develop this function in the future. And if I find out that we have the same interests like basketball and something, and then I can probably like play more with him. And these are the related tags recommended. But for something like ice creams, as you can see, you have 4 related tags, so you can explore more friends with higher similarities in those tags. Since we store all of our data on the backend databases, so everything is stored in the database and we can access them. To add a tag, we should type in the new tag name like TV, yeah, and then we can add it. Then it magically returns to my home pages, and there is a new tag named TV showing up. Thank you very much.